Section 1.4 in the C programming language, symbolic constants. A final observation before we leave temperature conversion forever. It's bad practice to bury magic numbers like 300 or 20 in a program. They convey little information to someone who might have read the program later, and they are hard to change in a systematic way. One way to deal with magic numbers is to give them a meaningful name. A hash-defined line defines a symbolic name or a symbolic constant to be a particular string of characters. Thereafter, any occurrence of the name not in quotes and not part of another name will be replaced by the corresponding replacement text. The name has the same form as a variable name, a sequence of letters and digits that begins with a letter. The replacement text can be any sequence of characters. It is not limited to numbers. So the temperature conversion program can be written as. So this is a percentage construct. We are saying it should be of width, minimum width 3 and minimum width 6.1 with one decimal number after the decimal point. The quantities lower, upper, and step are symbolic constants. The quantities here are symbolic constants. What it means is we can use this lower as a symbol. in our program. We can use upper as a symbol in our program, and it will be replaced with a constant value of 0, 300, and 220. And they're not variable, so they do not appear in the declarations. Symbolic constant names are conventionally written in uppercase, so they can be readily distinguished from lowercase variable names. Notice that there is no semicolon at the end of a hash defined line. So this is not a statement as such. This is a statement. The variable declaration is a statement. It contains a semicolon. This does not have it. The lower is a symbolic name, and this whole thing is definition of a symbolic constant. We end section 1.4. We'll be starting with section 1.5.